In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 right-click menu missing. If your context menu stops appearing or feels unresponsive, it's often a sign that the Windows shell needs a quick refresh, or that some system files might need repair. We'll tackle both, starting with the fastest fix, and then moving to a deeper scan if needed. First, we'll refresh Windows Explorer, which controls your taskbar, desktop, and right-click menu. Press Ctrl, Shift, and ES key together to open Task Manager. Once it's open, look for Windows Explorer in the list of processes. It may appear under Apps or Windows Processes. Click it to highlight it, then right-click and choose Restart. Your screen may briefly flicker, the taskbar may disappear and reappear, and desktop icons might refresh. That's normal. This quick reset reloads the shell and often brings the right-click menu back immediately. If it does, great, you're done. If it doesn't, let's move on to repairing system files. Now we'll run a built-in tool called System File Checker. This checks your Windows files for corruption and replaces any damaged ones automatically. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type CMD. Instead of pressing Enter, hold Ctrl and Shift, then press Enter. This opens Command Prompt as an administrator, which is required for the scan to work. If you see a security prompt asking to allow changes, confirm to proceed. In the Command Prompt window that appears, type exactly sfc/scano and press Enter. There's a space after SFC. The scan will start right away and show a percentage as it works through your system files. This can take anywhere from several minutes to longer depending on your device, so be patient and avoid closing the window. It's fine to keep other apps open, but try not to put the computer to sleep during the process. When the verification reaches 100%, you'll see a summary. It might say it didn't find any integrity violations, or that it found and repaired corrupted files. Either result gives you useful information, and in many cases, if the right-click menu was failing due to corrupted components, this scan resolves it. That's it. By restarting Windows Explorer and running sfc/scanow from an elevated command prompt, you address the most common causes of a missing right-click menu in Windows 11. If the menu is back, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your workflow running smoothly again.